Today's lesson is for 7-9. I'm actually going to break it up into 2 different days. So this video goes along with pages 189 to 191 for this lesson. So 189 is actually your math boxes, and I just wanted to do a quick reminder of something you can do when you're adding more than just 2 numbers together. So in number 1 in your math boxes, it says the first grade class has 23 children, the second grade class has 21 children, the third grade class has 17 children. How many children are there in all? So we've done a lot of working with addition and subtraction with 2 different numbers, but this gives us 3. So one strategy that can make it easier to add up is you can break these into tens and ones. So if I look at my number 23, I've got 20 and I've got 3. Now I'm going to look at 21. I'm going to break that into tens and ones. So I'm going to add another 20 up here and just that 1 at the bottom. My last number is 17, so I'm going to add 17 or 10 at the top and 7 at the bottom. Now it'll be a little bit easier for me to add 20 plus 20 plus 10 and then 3 plus 1 plus 7. And then whatever I get for those 2 math problems, I add together to find my total for my answer. Okay? Now the next part of your math lesson for today is going to be fun. You're going to go to the very back of your math journal and you'll see some pages that look like this. They're called activity sheets and they have a bunch of different shapes on them. So you're going to cut out the shapes on activity sheets 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, which is going to give you lots of different shapes. And then you're going to open your math journal up to pages 190 and 191. And the activity for this is you're going to take all those shapes that you just cut out, and I want you to sort them into different groups however you want. So you might look at how many sides they have. You might look at how many angles they have. Or you might want to look at if their sides are all the same length and if their sides are all different. Maybe they have 2 sides with the same length or no sides the same length. Once you've sorted them, and you're going to want to probably do it on a table or on a floor because there's a lot of shapes for you to sort. Once you've made your groups, you're going to go to page 190 and you're going to choose one of the groups that you made. And then you're going to trace your shapes, or at least 3 shapes, onto this page. Page 191 is going to ask you to do the same thing with a different group. And you're going to write a name that describes that sort. So, for example, if I had the 3 shapes on activity sheet 7, and I can't trace them because I don't have mine cut out, but they look about like this, this, and this. I could describe this sort as a sort that has 3 sides. And that could be my name for it. So you're going to choose 2 of the groups you made once you sorted your shapes, trace 3 of those shapes, and give it a name. All right, that's it. Have fun.